Hey my babes, I don't know if you guys are gonna think that this is a strange question to answer. However, I do get this question a lot, and that is, what's the difference between the edge control kit and the edge essential growth serum? Right, so we're gonna just clarify what each of these products are for, so stay tuned. So the edge control kit comes with the 5-ounce edge control and the double-sided edge brush and comb, right? And it is a gel, right? So it's very stiff and it's used quite literally to comb and control your edges, right? To literally just lay your edges down, putting on the finishing touches to your hairstyle. That is what the edge control kit is for. It lasts a really long time, on average 4 to 5 months, and even though it does have in some growth components in there like castor oil and all of those good stuff, it is primarily to comb your edges. The Edge Essential Growth Serum, this comes in a 2-ounce glass dropper bottle, and it is an oil. It's used to grow back bald spots, problem areas, or help to grow back bald spots, problem areas, any probably hereditary balding or premature balding that you may be experiencing, or if your edges were picked up by braids or protected hairstyles, anything like that, it may help to grow back. It's actually a blend of many oils such as ginger oil, cedarwood oil, thyme oil, all those good stuff, really concentrated to get those problem areas growing. And inside you could see the herbs. It is clary sage. So as you have it, it becomes more and more infused and gets so much stronger to get everything growing, right? So edge control, edge essential growth serum. I'm gonna put the link to these products below, so that now that I've clarified what each of them are used for, you could definitely go and purchase them based on whatever issues you may be having. This is really, really great for 4C edges because it really lays your edges for so many hours once you apply it correctly. If you go on my page, you'll see so many reviews for both of these products. You could follow me at Marabelle Haircare on Instagram if you're interested to see the reviews, but trust me, they really work. Thank you so much for staying to the end of the video, and I will definitely catch you in the next one when I'm clarifying more frequently asked questions.